In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printers. The Creality Ender 3v3 3D printer is a cutting-edge device that features a Core XZ motion system, allowing for rapid printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second, making it 12 times faster than traditional i3-style printers. Designed with an upgraded direct drive extruder, it effectively grips various filaments, including high-temperature materials like ABS and PETG, thanks to its 60W ceramic heater. The printer is equipped with a tri-metal unicorn nozzle, combining steel-tipped copper and a titanium alloy heat break for enhanced durability and heat management. Its precise Z-axis positioning, facilitated by linear rods and timing belts, minimizes Z-banding in prints, while the CR Touch auto-leveling feature and strain sensor simplify the setup process, ensuring a perfect first layer. With dimensions of 10-inch dx 4.98, wx10h, the Ender 3v3 is compatible with smartphones and offers a user-friendly experience for both beginners and experienced users in the 3D printing community. Number 2. Tina 2 Mini 3D Printers. The product is a 3D printer model designated as Tina 2 V9, manufactured by Weido in China. It features dimensions of 8.3 by 8.3 by 11.5 inches and weighs 9.18 pounds. With an ASIN of B0D1C7YWGT, this printer has garnered a customer rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars based on 435 reviews, indicating a moderate level of customer satisfaction. It holds a best sellers rank of #44, 631 in the industrial and scientific category, and number 72 specifically within the 3D printer segment. The product was first made available for purchase on August 12, 2024. Number 3. Artillery X3 Plus 3D Printer. The Artillery Sidewinder X3 Plus is a robust 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users, featuring a spacious build volume of 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches, 300 by 300 by 400 mm, to accommodate diverse printing projects. Crafted from durable ABS and metal materials, the printer weighs 36.5 pounds and is compatible with a variety of devices including laptops, personal computers, and smartphones. It boasts a high-temperature nozzle capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius, allowing the use of various filaments such as PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, and nylon. The printer's construction is reinforced with metal diagonal tie rods that establish a stable triangular structure, significantly reducing vibrations for stable printing quality. Its dual-gear direct drive extruder enhances extrusion efficiency and provides a smooth model surface, while features like 49-point automatic bed leveling and auto-cleaning of the nozzle make it exceptionally beginner-friendly and easy to operate. Overall, the Artillery Sidewinder X3 Plus is a powerful and user-centric 3D printing solution perfect for a wide range of applications. Number 4. MALYAN M200 Mini 3D Printer. The MALYAN M200 FDM Mini 3D Printer is a fully assembled, user-friendly device that includes essential components such as a sample PLA filament and a preloaded microSD card with printable 3D models, offering users everything needed to start printing immediately. Designed to accommodate a variety of 1.75 mm filament types, it allows for the creation of colorful and diverse prints. With a print size of 120 by 120 by 120 mm, this compact printer is suitable for small to medium objects and supports operation via USB connection or microSD card, utilizing compatible slicing software like Cura or Repetier. Its compact desktop design features an open frame for easy monitoring and access, along with a stable metal base and side filament holder for convenience. The all-metal hot end ensures reliable performance and durability at high temperatures, while the heated build plate promotes adhesion and minimizes warping, making the MALYAN M200 an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned users. Number 5. MALYAN M320 3D Printer. The MALYAN 3D printer is a user-friendly FDM printer designed for beginners, featuring a compact size of 8.66-inch dx 12.6, wx 13.98h and a printing capacity of 150 by 150 by 150 mm. It is fully assembled out of the box, making it easy to start printing immediately with the included sample PLA filament and a micro SD card containing model files. The printer supports various file formats, including STL, OBJ, and G-code, and is compatible with most 1.75 mm 3D filaments due to its heated build plate and adjustable extruder temperatures. Factory calibrated for convenience, it includes a removable magnetic build plate that offers strong adhesion and simplifies model removal. Built with an all-metal frame for enhanced stability and durability, the MALYAN printer also features a heat break design for efficient heat dissipation. Additionally, it comes with lifetime technical support, ensuring users have access to assistance for any potential issues.